Hey guys, it's me, Poppy Reen here, coming to you with the box opening. Today we're gonna be, sorry, my hair is like drifting nuts. I'm gonna be opening some toys I got from the Dollar Tree. So first we're gonna be opening this Triceratops micro collectible from Jurassic Park, or sorry, Jurassic World. There was others in the set, but I didn't like them. I only liked this one. I've actually never seen a full Jurassic Park movie. I've only seen part of the first one. She's just really cute, and he's on this little stand. He, like, moves a little bit. The stand is hard plastic, and he's more of, like, a, you know, almost like that rubbery plastic feel. Then we have these figures from Troll World Tour, which, if you guys know, I didn't like, well, actually, I don't know if you guys know. I didn't like Trolls World Tour as much as I liked Trolls. Because, Trolls. What is this paper? So, this first one we're opening is Mermaid. They all come with accessories. This microphone is rubber banded to her hand, which I'm not going to take off. But her head moves side to side and swivels. Her arms do not move. Her body does not move or anything. She's cute. She's weird. She's cute. Next we have my friend Cooper. I have a giant plush Cooper. You guys might have seen him on the channel before. He's actually under the bed right now. Sorry guys, my hair is like really dandruffy. I can't wash it till after my shower tomorrow. Okay. So this is Cooper. Cooper comes with a little boombox. Just like this little hard plastic boombox, doesn't really do much. Cooper's hat is removable. And he's got yarn hair. Other than that, he doesn't really move. That's what Cooper's hat looks like on him. He's super cute. I love a good Cooper helmet. Next, we will open Queen Barb. Mermaid and Queen Barb, you see in the second movie. They're not in the first movie. But Cooper and the other one we're going to be opening, Poppy, are both in the first movie. So this is Queen Barb. She comes with this little guitar. You can slide on or off, or it's got the little doodad to take it apart and put it on. Barb is queen of rock and roll. Of metal. No, sorry. I believe she's queen of metal, not queen of rock and roll. Her arms are not really posable. Her head does, however, rotate. Kind of, not the greatest. This does not stay on her very well. And then she's got actual, like, hair. She's got, like, a mohawk going on. And last but not least, we have Poppy Troll. Princess of the Trolls. Poppy has actual hair. She's got a little crown that is removable, but it's rubber banded on right now, and I'm not going to undo it. And then she's got her guitar, which same concept as Barb's. You can undo it. And then her head is movable. And her arms are not posable. This is Poppy Troll. Guys, Poppy Troll. So that's super cool. So yeah, these are cute for my collection. I don't super love them, but they're cute for my collection. Which is pretty big. It's over 8. I think it's like 800 now at this point. Don't really know. Kind of lost track. Yes, I will catch you on the flip side. Bye, guys.